How to add attributes to your Google Business profile. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. Now this is going to be very simple and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So the first thing is going to be you are actually required to log in into the same account that you created the business in, or an account that is a manager account where you can also edit things with it. If not, you're not going to be able to basically add or remove attributes or anything else really to your business profile. And then if you just go to any browser and go to google.com, you just want to basically search for the name of the company that you created. Just again, one more time, make sure you're logged in into the same account that you created it in. So in my case, I'm just going to search for the company that I created, which is just a dummy one for these types of videos. So just search up the name, and then you should actually find the company name, and you can manage this business profile, and you just want to click on view profile. You will see the name and also the profile picture. So once you click on that, you will find yourself in this section here where you will be able to edit things out. If you don't, again, one last time, you will need to be logged in into the same account. So now that you have this, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on the first option here, which is edit profile. If you click on that, it's just going to open up more information about the business where you can just go ahead and set up more things about it. Now, specifically attributes are going to be within the more section. So if you just click on more, you'll find a lot more stuff that you can edit about the business here, like from the business planning, service options, and more. And also, if you want more stuff here as well, you can find them within the other sections. For example, the hours and stuff, you can also adjust them from here. Now here, obviously, you can feel free to go to each section here, and if you don't state whether yes or no, it's not going to show up for you. If you identify it as yes, in this case, it's actually going to show up on your profile. So just go ahead and select no or yes. And if you don't select anything, it's also not going to be shown up for you. Now, once you do any changes, it's going to take about 10 minutes for them to review it, and then it's just going to show up on your profile. So again, same goes for this one. You would want to select yes or no. And if you just want to keep it empty, it's completely up to you. So let's say yes for this one and click on save. I did not even read it, but you get the idea. Same goes for this one. You can feel free to click yes or no, and whether you click on yes or no is going to depend on whether it's going to show or not on your business. And this is pretty much all for this video. You just wanted to wait for them to review it and you're good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.